column 5. Call column 4. Call column 3. Right here. This is our working part. Call column 2. Hopefully you ready in 1. Call column, meaning I'm not looking for hands, in 0. Josiah, what is the dilemma in this video? What's going on?
No, each time she gets a hot dog and a pack of hot dogs and a pack of buns, each one has a different number.
Okay, it has a different number. What's she trying to do? Go ahead for me, Ryan.
She's trying to make the hot dog with a bun equal.
She's trying to have an equal number of hot dogs and buns. Somebody be a little bit more specific. What are our numbers that we're working with here?
8 and 10.
Okay, 8 what? 8, 10, what? 10 what?
10 hot
Come on,
dogs
now you gotta be a
and
little
eight
more
buns.
specific, huh?
10 hot dogs and 8 buns.
10 hot dogs and 8 buns. So I love how Josiah said every time she's going, she's getting a leftover amount, right? But she want to have the same amount. Let's think about it. With your shoulder partner, I want you to take 30 seconds to try. This is try, because you may not know this, but you will know by the end of the class. To come up with how many packs of hot dogs she might need and how many packs of hot dog buns she might need in order to have the same amount. Take 30 seconds with your shoulder partner and try it Bringing it back in 3. I heard some great answers guys. Hers in 2. Alrighty, in 1. Waiting on all eyes. Go ahead, Malachi.
So she needs 8 packs of hot dogs.
8 packs of hot dogs, I got you.
She needs 80 packs of hot dog buns.
80?
No.
I'm asking gonna be full. I can only hear you. Hear one person at a time. Malachi has the floor.
So you need.
Hold on, Malachi. Go ahead.
You need 8 packs of hot dogs and 10 packs of hot dog buns.
Okay. Go ahead for me, Marianne.
Okay.
I love to hear from you.
So what I said is that you need 80 buns and 80 hot dogs.
Yeah, so really, they both just said the same thing, right? Yeah. I can think of another number. I see some people that want to be. Go ahead, Luis.
40.
Okay, maybe 40 hot dogs and 40 buns. What else? Try. I got 40. I got 80. What'd you say?
Oh, I know one.
Hold on. Okay, go. 4 packs of hot dogs. What's that gonna do? 6, 40. Okay, I see. All right, give me one more number. Go ahead, Harvey, just for the fun of it.
If she's making 8, she can buy 1 pack of hot dogs and 1 pack of buns and then turn the other 2 into kolaches. But if she's
Nah, we're not gonna go on. Okay?
if it doesn't matter how much she's making, she can get 5 packs of buns and 4 packs of.
Thank you. That's the part I want to hear. Okay, all the rest of it, yep. You just say for another day. All right. I know we're all eager to give me another one, but we have to move on. What we're going to do today is look at some of our other problems in real world situations just like this one. We're going to start off by defining. First of all, we have 2 numbers on the board right here. 2 numbers on the board. What might these 2 numbers represent in relation to our 2 numbers, 8 and 10. I want you to take 30 seconds, not with me. You're not talking to me yet.
Okay.
You're not talking to me. With your shoulder partner. What might these two numbers represent in context of this problem? Go. You said that big piece of metal. What did you say? These numbers right here. What I'm looking at. I heard that already. I'm gonna see you right here. I'm a warm dog right here because I heard you say something that was real good. And one. Put it on all eyes. All of them. I believe it. Damien, come to you.
That the 40 and 80 means like hot dogs.
Okay, we're talking about math right now. This time we're talking about math, okay, y'all? I know we like hot dogs and hot dog buns, but we're talking about math. What might these represent? I'm trying to call Kyle. Okay, here it goes.
They both have even numbers.
Come on, bring it on home for me. Caesar,
So the numbers is the equal amount of is the same. Is the same amount that each hot dog.
Okay, I actually heard a student say it. Malachi, what did you say these represent? Both of these represent a multiple. Are they both the least common though?
No.
So which one of these will be the least common?
40.
All right.
40. What's 80?
So what? I'll wait. So based on what we know, we just said that 40 is actually the least common multiple. So how can we define a least common multiple? How can we define a least common multiple? Go ahead, Kim Marianne. A least common multiple. So we know both of these are multiples, right? So how can we define a least common multiple? Before you say it, take 30 seconds with your shoulder partner to develop your own definition. Go. What's that here? What Alright, bring it back in 5. Bring it back in 4. I love that. 3. 2. And 1. I heard a lot of students say things like the smallest number or the lowest number. What I want us to do right now is to define the difference between a factor and a multiple, because I heard a lot of us say, it's the smallest factor. It's the littlest factor. Can somebody tell me the difference between a factor and a multiple real quick, just for the sake of understanding? Go ahead, Harvey.
A factor is like what you multiply by, but a multiple is what's the
On Monday, we talked about a factor and what is the operation that's really happening with factors. I know that we continue to be like, two numbers that we multiply together, but it's only one operation for real. Go. I ain't hear him because their hands first. Thank you, Interior, for results your hands. So right now, I want you to write down 2 things at the bottom of your page. 2 things at the bottom of your page. What should be up? Your pencils are up. Bottom of page, because now you're gonna work by yourself. This is right at the bottom of number 2. You're going to write it down. First of all, I want you to write the word factor. And I want you to put in parentheses, division. Here, I want you to write the word multiple. And I want you to write the word multiplication. So when we're thinking factors, that's Monday, right? we talked about the greatest common factor. We're thinking a number that divides evenly, got it? We're talking about multiple, we're thinking about multiple of that number, right? We're thinking about multiple 8, so that's 8. That's 16, multiple 8. You can move up wherever you need to be, sweetie. Multiple of that number, keyword here, multiple. Alright, and then we're going to stamp our definition. The least common multiple, I'm going to keep putting emphasis on that word, shall be of two numbers is the smallest. We can underline smallest whole number that is a multiple of both numbers. I'll give you 1 minute to finish writing both of those things. My timer is 6. Oh, multiple. The least common multiple of two numbers is the smallest whole number that is a multiple of both numbers. Awesome. Now I want us to take a smack at it in 10 seconds. That's my time. We're going to turn the page in which we're going to practice finding the multiple of 3 set of numbers. With your shoulder partner, I'm giving you 3 minutes to work through 3, 4, and 5 using your best method of finding the least common multiple. 3 minutes. That's a level 1 voice. Coming around. Yes, that's why it's called multiple. I'm thinking multiple of that number. Five, 1, 2, 5. I'm looking at 4 and 5. Write it down. We're on 3, 4, and 5. I don't see your method, but your answer is right. I'm not seeing our method. Remember the difference between a multiple and union. I love how Trevor is actually listing our multiples each time. Bring it back. 5. Bring it back. 4. Bring it back. 3. Bring it back. 2. 1. And 0. So I should remind you, when we shoulder partner talk, it's level 1. Also, your shoulder partner is the person that is directly beside you. So we're not turning our body around. I'm giving us 1 extra minute individually to go ahead and finish up with 3, 4, and 5. Silent and independent. I'm looking for you to have those complete in the next 1 minute. You have 1 minute, and it's actually beautiful because it's actually already on my time. Looking for 3, 4, and 5, coming around to check. Alright, so I still hear sound, even though I'm pretty sure I said individually. You already had your partner time.